officially made it to Chicago for Lollapalooza. I'm staying with my friend and his roommates, and they're at Lolla right now, so I'm just in his apartment for the day slash night. But I am gonna go to the K-pop store and also the Korean store and also get some food. Keep it a chill night. I had to wake up early. I thought I would just start the video telling you that I am very excited for tomorrow. The first act we're seeing is boynextdoor. I think they're the group that I'm most excited to see, and then katseye is literally right after them, and then we have a few other artists that we want to see in between, and then the headliner is Sabrina. So it should be a very fun day tomorrow. And then Monday, the next day after Lolla, I have a like 9 a.m. train home. I decided to do 9 because I'm more likely to have less of a rush of all of the people going home. If I do it in the morning, those people are less likely to get up super early. Also, I would just want to be home early, you know. I'm a type of person that gets overstimulated super easily, and like I can only do a day of stuff, honestly. I will update you guys when I'm doing something more productive. I'm back from my time out. I was out for like 2 hours. I walked to the K-pop store and the Korean skincare store. I also went to get some food and the grocery store. I always do a little haul when I do these K-pop related things because there's no Korean skincare stores where I live. There's also one K-pop store where I live, and it's like not the best. It does not have a good selection. So for the Korean skincare store, I got this face mask. I actually use this brand, Biodance, and I really love it. This is the pink one, I believe. This is the one that like sits on your face and then it turns clear. I'm gonna do this tonight because I'm breaking out. And then the whole reason I was going there was to pick up my eye cream under my eye, and they didn't actually have it, which is totally okay because the eye cream that I use, like it works like slightly but really doesn't have a long-term effect for my under eyes, and I have really bad under eyes, so I need something that like actually like helps visibly change that. So I'm trying this different eye cream. It's similar like vitamin C product with brightening, but this is the brand. And then I did get a enzyme peeling gel at the actual K-pop store. I don't need any albums. I'm actually up to date with all the groups that I collect, and they don't have like TXT stuff right now, like the newest comeback. So at least the one I went to was Choca K-pop store, Choca maybe. I'll put it here. It's super cute. It's like a pink store. There's also Kpop Nara, but it's so far away. They had some cute ATEEZ merch, and I absolutely love ATEEZ's like plushies, the anotees, I think that's how they say it. And my bias is actually Yeosang, and I do have an anotees product of Yeosang, but they have these cute little mini key rings. And I was like, oh my god, I gotta have one. They didn't have Yeosang's character, but I think that Wooyoung's character is the cutest little black cat. Comes with a photo card, which is something that like I wish TXT did with their plushies as well, but this is the photo card of Wooyoung. Oh, he's gorgeous. And then it also comes with a $5 pop, and I was like, okay, I'll get it. And this is the one I picked of Yosong, and he's like, I think it's like a pen. He's like drawing on something or you, but he has this gorgeous blush on his face. These are my Labubus, okay? K-pop little things. Koya, Taeyeon's plushie that I can't pronounce, and Wooyoung's plushie. So cute. I will see you guys when I'm getting ready for Lolla tomorrow. I am ready. Not ready, getting ready. I've done my hair and I have my outfit on. I'm wearing this was from Shorts. But we're excited. Boy Next Door is on at 2:15, so we have to get there in the next few. Always wear sunscreen, guys. Always. I really don't like, it's not like a fashion show for me to go to these festivals anymore. It's more about comfortability, being comfortable. So, though I do want to make sure my makeup stays on because I'm breaking out a lot recently, so I wish the wristband was cuter. I think this yellow and green is ugly, but it's okay. This is the best mascara to keep on your lashes all day and like sweat, heat, water. This product right here is amazing. That's the final look. We're on our way.
Lolla! Let's go!
I have to walk to the train and then get there. Boy Next Door, first person we're seeing, 2:15.
Yum.
Exciting. Also, free snack. Free snack.
Free snack!
Exit to a designated exit and scan this window. Have an amazing day at Lollapalooza. Have an amazing day at Lollapalooza.
Have an amazing day.
The little, like, tiger.
Oh, it's so cute. Sorry. A lot of space on my phone, but we're in the merch room after katseye. Hello, I completely forgot to end the rest of this Lollapalooza vlog. My phone ran out of storage. I have never run out of storage on my phone, and I've had it for like 3 years now. But I take so many photos, take so many screenshots. I just need to go through and just delete things. So, but I made this whole vlog that I really wanted to post, so that's why you're seeing it. And I really do want to get back into creating content and posting. I just love looking back on memories and everything like that. Even though this is not my best video I've ever made, I still am gonna share it with the world because I don't think it's too bad. So yeah, I did end up getting a new little point and shoot camera that I can take to events and stuff. I have like obviously my phone, and then I have a professional camera that I had been recording like sit down videos with, which I probably still will do. The thing that I have right now I think I will just do for like vlogs and stuff, but I'm testing it out now. We'll see if it's good. But it's a Sony camera. It's a little bit cheaper than like the Canon GCX, which is like what everyone has. But that was like $700 for a little small point and shoot, and Sony's a good camera company. I also bought it before the tariffs and all of that hit, because prices for cameras and electronics are about to be super duper expensive. But so far I really love this camera. It is so lightweight, and I can't wait for the videos that I'm going to be filming. Yeah, if you do want to see like a full comprehensive day in my life, I made a YouTube short about it. You guys can check it out on my channel. That has a little bit more about what I really actually did, some cat's eye videos and things like that. But yeah, it's my little Lollapalooza vlog. I will see you guys when I make my next video. I see La Seraphim on Friday, so that's really exciting. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know some videos you want to see down below. I want to do like a series like on my YouTube shorts that's like the day in the life of a K-pop fan who has to travel to see shows. I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.